Welcome to the Getting Started series for Peernet's document conversion service. There are 5 videos in this series. Video 3 covers how to start and verify the document conversion service is operating correctly. Following from the previous video, DCS has been configured to only start the converters for Microsoft Word, Microsoft Excel, and Adobe Reader. In order to verify that DCS starts up and operates correctly, we will use the included logging console. This is done by clicking the green icon on the taskbar and clicking Show Logging Console. Now we will start DCS. Click the green icon again and then click Run Conversion Service to start DCS. It takes some time for DCS to start up depending on the number of applications or converters we have enabled. We only have 3, so it won't take too long, but we'll still jump ahead now to when it's done starting up. If you have more applications enabled or are starting with everything enabled, then it will take longer to start up. The logging console shows us that only Adobe Reader, Microsoft Excel, and Microsoft Word have started, and the rest of the applications are disabled. This is what we expect based on how we edited the DCS configuration file in the previous tutorial. Once you see Successfully Started Job Item Processor Application, then DCS is ready to start converting files. Let's run a simple conversion as a test. There are 2 apps included with DCS that allow for quick and easy testing of the file conversion process. One of these apps is called Peernet Drop Files Converter and can be accessed from the Start menu under DCS. Let's start the Peernet Drop Files Converter app now. With the Drop Files Converter, you can simply drag and drop one or more files to convert into the drop area. You can select from a range of pre-configured profiles that specify the type of output file you would like from the drop-down list. In this case, we will select TIFF 200 dpi grayscale. Then you can set the location you'd like to save your output files. Drag and drop the file you want to convert. In this case, we will drop in a Word document, Excel spreadsheet, and PDF file. If we dropped in a PowerPoint presentation as well, it would fail to convert because we did not configure DCS for this file format. In addition, if we dropped in a password-protected PDF file, it would fail to convert because DCS will not be able to access the file. Open the location you designated to be your output folder. As you can see, we've created a 200 dpi grayscale TIFF from the Word, Excel, and PDF. In the drop area, we can see the 3 successfully converted files, the inability to access the PowerPoint application, and the failed conversion of the password-protected PDF file. Once you have finished verifying that DCS is running correctly, close the logging console. It's important that you do not leave the logging console open, as it will eventually consume all system resources and Windows will stop functioning correctly. Only use the logging console to monitor and troubleshoot document conversion service for set periods of time. There is no need to open the logging console the next time you start up DCS, unless you need to troubleshoot a problem or have made changes to the DCS configuration file and want to verify that DCS is successfully started. You can simply click the green circle icon on the taskbar and then click Run Conversion Service. To stop DCS, click the green icon on the taskbar and click Stop Conversion Service. As an example, I will show you what you would see if DCS failed to start correctly. In this example, I don't have Adobe Reader installed on the computer, and we are using the same DCS configuration file settings where Adobe Reader is set to Required in order to start DCS. As before, we will open the logging console so we can watch the startup process. Then we will start DCS. As you can see, DCS failed to start Adobe Reader because it is not installed, and therefore DCS did not successfully start running and is unable to convert any files. Remember, if you make any changes to the DCS configuration file, you will need to stop DCS and start it back up again in order to have your changes implemented. Now that DCS is installed and verified to be running, this is a good time to look at selecting how best to integrate DCS into your organization's workflow. In this tutorial, we showed you one of the built-in desktop tools we provide with DCS, but the conversion service can be fully automated in several ways, including the watch folder service, command line tools, and our .NET library. See our Ways DCS Can Work For You video for an overview of the integration options we offer. As you can see with the included drop converter and convert file applications, the type of file created is controlled using our pre-configured conversion profiles. These profiles are also used by our included command line tools and .NET utility library, and can be edited and copied to make new profiles to match your conversion requirements. If you are interested in using these tools and would like to create your own custom conversion profiles, see our Creating and Editing DCS Conversion Profiles video for more information. If you are interested in using our watch folder service, continue to the next tutorial in this Getting Started series, Set Watch Folder Files, to learn how to customize the paths for the folders that Watch Folder service uses. We are always available to help with configuration and answer any questions you have about setup or the product. If you haven't done so already, follow the link below and download your free trial.